My life? Well, so far, good. I've eaten this, rode in this motorcycle, touched Mother Earth, scared at first with this eel, seen a wonderful garden. Isn't it beautiful? Planted this exciting Ampelea plant. See how it climbs, it's reaching for the skies. Hoping for bountiful harvest. And wondered with the secrets of the cacao. Asking why their flowers is in the trunk of the tree. Then fruiting it. Making DA filters for my palm. Feel the gush of the water. Yes, you're correct. It has living plants as support for water filtration. And even live snails. So that my fishes are healthy. Am I right? But if we do this, there is nothing else to do. Let's do our share. Save planet Earth. Thanks for watching.